Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. How are you, dear students? I hope you all are fine. Students, welcome to the last lesson of unit number 5 from Iqra Applied Grammar 1. Students, जैसे कि आप लोग जानते हैं हम यूनिट नंबर 5 के फर्स्ट 3 लेसन्स कवर कर चुके हैं, जिसमें हमने कुछ बुक एक्टिविटीज़ को कवर किया है. In today's lesson we are going to cover the most important segments. Two most important segments we are going to cover. First one spoken activities and second one written work. And for written work, as always, you need 2 lines English notebook, ink pen, blue ink pen, a pointer, black pointer as you can see, and a scale for marking lines. So let's start with today's lesson. Okay, my dear students, we are here with our today's first segment, which is learn to speak, and it's very much important. And what we are going to do here, work in pairs and tell 2 strong points of yourself and others. As I have made my pair with one of my students, Laiba, and we are going to tell our strong points. Yes, it's Laiba's turn. So Laiba, beta, tell me your 2 strong points.
I am honest and hardworking.
I am honest and hardworking. So for others, if I'll say others, so I would like to say about Laiba, she is honest and hardworking. Okay, and if I want to tell my strong points, so I'll say I am confident and polite. Okay, students, so let's start our activity properly. Assalamu alaikum.
Wa alaikum assalam wa rahmatullah.
Okay, now I'm going to ask the rest of questions to Laiba and she'll answer one by one. Tell 2 weak points of yourself in 2 sentences. Laiba, what is the meaning of 2 sentences?
Simple adjective.
Yes, 2 sentences means she is going to use simple quality, means single quality. By using one adjective, she will tell her 2 weak points. Okay, students, in 2 sentences. 2 sentences means
Simple quality.
हाँ जी, simple quality or single quality, you can say simple adjective she will use here. Okay, and from where she will take vocabulary for answer? From this word bank. As you know, we have discussed this word bank already. Some words are showing weak points and some words are showing strong points. अब मैं लाइबा से पूछूंगी और आप लोग भी मुझे आंसर कर सकते हैं कि कौन कौन से वीक पॉइंट्स हैं और कौन कौन से स्ट्रॉन्ग पॉइंट्स हैं. ओके बेटा, लाइबा बेटा, टेल मी ऑनेस्ट.
Positive.
Strong point, yes. Honest is the strong point. Faithful,
Strong point.
strong point. Hardworking,
Strong point. Strong point.
yes. Talkative,
Weak point.
weak point. It's not good, na? Talkative, being talkative, it's not good. That's why it's a negative. It's you can say weak point of someone's. Shy,
Weak point.
weak point है. Shy भी, शर्मीला होना, having less confidence, ये भी अच्छी बात तो नहीं होती ना. So it's a weak point. Lazy,
Weak point.
weak point. Rude,
Weak point.
weak point. Very nice. Generous,
Strong point.
strong point. Next one, nervous,
Weak point.
weak point है ये भी. Being nervous is bad ना. Selfish,
Weak point.
weak point. And naughty,
Weak point.
weak point. Now there are 6 words showing weak points, like as you can say lazy, rude, shy, nervous, selfish and naughty. These are weak points. You can take vocabulary from here for question number 1, for answer number 1. As Laiba is going to tell answer now. Okay students, once again I am going to ask question number 1 from Laiba. Tell 2 weak points of yourself in 2 sentences.
I am talkative. I am naughty.
Very nice. In 2 sentences na, so she is using single adjective. Now next question, tell 2 strong points of yourself in 2 sentences.
I am honest. I am hardworking.
Very nice. Next one, tell 2 weak points of your friend together. Now students, we have together here. What is the meaning of together?
and
Yes, whenever we have together two weak points together, जब भी हमने कभी two weak points या two strong points एक साथ बताने होंगे together, then we will use and. Clear, students? Keep in your mind. So Laiba is going to tell two weak points of her friend together. Yes, Laiba beta. जी बेटा.
she is selfish and nervous.
Very nice. She is selfish and nervous. Excellent. Next one. Tell two strong points of your friend together. First, in this question, she was talking about weak points. In next question, she is going to talk about strong points. Yes, beta.
She is confident and brave.
Yes, she is confident and brave. Excellent. Tell two weak points of your younger brother together. Weak points of younger brother together. Again, we are going to use and because we have two together.
He is funny and shy.
He is funny and shy. Excellent. Very nice. Tell one strong point and one weak point of your cousin. Now, students, it's very important. Now, you can see strong points and weak points. So, which structure we are going to use here?
But
Whenever we talk one positive and one negative part of the sentence, then we use but here. It's very important. Now, Laiba is going to tell one strong and one weak point of her cousin. Yes, beta.
she is clever but rude.
Okay, she is clever but rude, but I think clever is also a negative, a weak point. Let's take another word from here. You can say she is intelligent but selfish. Okay, हम इस तरह से भी बात कर सकते हैं. She is shy but hardworking, like this. Okay, students. Next one. Let's have a look for the last question. Tell one strong point and one weak point of your neighbor. Okay, students, do you know the meaning of neighbor? Neighbor mean?
People who live near the house.
Yes, people who live near the house are called your neighbors. And now Laiba is going to tell one strong point and one weak point of her neighbor. You can take positive vocabulary from here also.
She is polite but bossy.
But you can say naughty. She is polite but naughty because one positive and one negative. In word bank number 2, all the words have positive meanings. Okay, beta. And in word bank number 1, some words are positive and some are negative. So we can say she is polite but naughty, or we can say she is polite but shy. Clear, students? Like this, you will practice this activity with your partner. You will also make a pair at your home, and you will practice all the questions given here, and you will send your recordings in your groups also. Let's have a look for the B activity. Okay, my dear students, we are here with activity B of Learn to Speak, and what we are going to do here, talk about the following people for 1 minute. It's your choice. There are 4 people given here, like your father, your mother, your brother, your sister. It's your choice that you about whom you're going to talk. So, Laiba, about which you're going to talk, beta?
My mother.
My mother. Laiba is going to talk about her mother for 1 minute. और ये हम किस तरह से बात करेंगे? We will use the structure of extended practice. Let's have a look for the structure again. Okay, my dear students, so Laiba is going to talk about her mother, and if you want to talk about your mother, brother, sister or father, you will also use this pattern. Yes, Laiba, let's start.
My mother's name is Faizana. She is a working woman. She is 40 years old. She is strong and short. She has round face. She has curly hair. She is polite and sensible. She is creative and confident. Moreover, she is tidy too. She is witty but nervous. She is thankful to Allah Almighty for everything.
Yes, very nice. As Laiba has described her mother in 10 sentences. In first sentence, she has talked about the name of her mother, then about the profession, that she is a working woman. ठीक है, जब भी आप अपने mother या father की बात करेंगे, you will not tell the class your mothers are not students ना. So working हो सकते हैं, working women हो सकती हैं, housewife हो सकती हैं. She is a housewife, she is a working woman, like this. Now next we will tell the age of your mother. Here I am na, she is, we will use is. I am, she is, like this. She is tall and smart, you can say, as she was telling, she is short and strong. Okay, next one, she. Laiba is talking about her mother na, that's why we are using she. I have, so she
Has.
ये हम रिवाइज, ये टॉपिक्स हम पढ़ चुके हैं पहले, अब साथ साथ इनको भी रिवाइज कर रहे हैं. She has round face, she has curly hair, she is polite and sensible, she is creative and confident, comma, moreover, again comma, she is tidy too. She is witty but nervous, she is thankful to Allah Almighty for everything. Like this you will talk about your mother, brother, father or sister. Clear, students? Okay, my dear students, we have another spoken activity which is ask and reply. And what we do in ask and reply segment?
Short answer.
Short answers. We give short answers in this segment. So let's start this segment. I am going to ask questions to Laiba and she'll answer. Is she smart?
Yes, she is.
Okay. Are you hardworking?
Yes, I am.
Very nice. Like this you will practice this table. Let's start our next question. Assalamu alaikum.
Wa alaikum assalam wa rahmatullah.
Okay, is your hair black?
Yes, it is.
Is your father tall?
No, he isn't.
Very nice. Is your friend loving and caring?
Yes, she is.
Is your mother kind and caring?
Yes, she is.
Is your brother helpful and cooperative?
Yes, he is.
Very nice. Excellent. In this way you will practice giving short answers and you will send your recording. Okay, my dear students, after completing the above spoken activities, we will move forward towards the next segment, which is learn to write. And what we are going to do here, describe your father / mother in 10 sentences. Slash means choice, it means choice. Describe your father or mother in 10 sentences. And boys will do my father, girls will do my mother. ये आपके पास choice है. Okay बेटा? Describe your brother or sister in 10 sentences. Same, boys will do my brother and girls will do my sister. And the last one, describe your friend in 10 sentences. आपने अपने friend को describe करना है. Girls will use she for their friends and boys will use he for their friends. Okay students, and these all these three parts you have to do. ये तीनों पार्ट्स आपने करने हैं, बट एक मैं आपको करके दिखा दूंगी. उस पैटर्न को फॉलो करते हुए आप नेक्स्ट 2 भी कर सकते हैं. As I have decided to do the last one, describe your friend in 10 sentences. Okay students, तो 10 sentences का स्ट्रक्चर हम कहाँ से पिक करेंगे? Yes बेटा, from extended practice. Very nice. Let's have a look for extended practice. Okay my dear students, it's the structure of extended practice. 10 sentences का स्ट्रक्चर आपके सामने है. यही स्ट्रक्चर आपने फॉलो करते हुए अपना जो वर्क है लर्न टू राइट कंप्लीट करना है और आपने तीनों पार्ट्स करने हैं. फॉर एग्जाम्पल, एज आई हैव डिसाइडेड टू डू द लास्ट पार्ट माई फ्रेंड. अब आपने किस तरह से करना है? यही स्ट्रक्चर हम फॉलो करेंगे. अक्सा इज़ माई फ्रेंड्स नेम, शी इज़ अ टीचर. ओके बेटा, फर्स्ट में आप नेम बताएंगे फर्स्ट सेंटेंस में. सेकंड सेंटेंस में आप अगर अपने फ्रेंड के बारे में बात करें तो ऑब्वियसली यू विल टेल द क्लास और as I am talking about my friend, that's why I am telling that she is a teacher. Next, she is 24 years old. She is tall and smart. She has long face. She has silky hair. She is humble and sensible. She is friendly and confident, comma, moreover, again comma, she is creative too. She is humorous but talkative. She is thankful to Allah Almighty for everything. इस तरह से हम फ्रेंड को डिस्क्राइब कर सकते हैं, माई मदर को भी, माई फादर, माई ब्रदर एंड माई सिस्टर. ओके स्टूडेंट्स, लेट्स हैव अ लुक फॉर कॉपी प्रेजेंटेशन. और ये स्ट्रक्चर तो हमें यहाँ से मिलेगा, वोकैबुलरी हमें कहाँ से मिलेगी बेटा? एडजेक्टिव्स जो हमने यूज़ किए हैं वो हमें कहाँ से मिलेंगे? वर्ड बैंक से. जी, ये वर्ड बैंक जो हम डिस्कस कर चुके हैं, वर्ड बैंक नंबर 1 एंड वर्ड बैंक नंबर 2, यहाँ से आपको वोकैबुलरी मिल सकती है. आप लोग देख सकते हैं हमने अच्छे से डिस्कशन की है इसकी. एंड जो फिज़िकल डिस्क्रिप्शन वाला वर्ड बैंक है वो भी आप लोग देख सकते हैं यहाँ से. इन तीनों वर्ड बैंक्स को यूज़ करते हुए और 10 सेंटेंसेस वाला स्ट्रक्चर यूज़ करते हुए आपने अपना रिटर्न वर्क कंप्लीट करना है. अब कॉपी प्रेजेंटेशन देख लेते हैं. ओके स्टूडेंट्स, इट्स द कॉपी प्रेजेंटेशन. एज यू कैन सी, you will mark English date, page number, Islamic dates, then you will give the heading my friend. अगर आप कर रहे हैं my mother, you will give the heading of my mother, my brother, my sister. Clear students? Then you will draw margin lines, 2 finger gap plus 2 double margin line on left side, 1 finger gap plus single margin line on right side, and you will start writing your work. Exercise, my friend's name, she is a teacher. First letter will be capitalized, full stop will be at the end. She is 25 years old. She is tall and smart. She has long face. She has silky hair. She is sensible and humble. She is friendly and confident. Moreover, she is creative too. Before and after there should be comma. Moreover से पहले और बाद में comma होना चाहिए. She is humorous but talkative. आपको पता है हम but कहाँ यूज़ करते हैं? First one part positive and one negative. Humorous but talkative. And the last one we have, she is thankful to Allah Almighty for everything. इस तरह से आपने मदर और फादर का भी कंप्लीट करना है और ब्रदर और सिस्टर का भी. एक सैम्पल, ये आपके सामने एक सैम्पल है. एक्सटेंडेड प्रैक्टिस वाला स्ट्रक्चर हम यूज़ करेंगे और वोकैबुलरी आपको गिवन है. ओके स्टूडेंट्स, अब आपका होमवर्क क्या है? यू विल लर्न द वर्ड बैंक. वर्ड बैंक्स को अच्छे से आपने लर्न करना है जो आपकी बुक में गिवन है, स्पेलिंग्स के साथ लर्न करना है. एंड यू विल डू दिस वर्क प्लस यू विल डू द नेक्स्ट 2 पार्ट्स ऑल्सो. और आपने रफ कॉपीज पे वो दोनों पार्ट्स करके अपने ग्रुप्स में अपना होमवर्क सेंड करना है. ओके स्टूडेंट्स, वी विल मीट इन नेक्स्ट लेसन. टिल देन टेक केयर. अल्लाह हाफिज़.